2007 Chrysler Town Country. So I have two pins that I have twisted slightly. This pin up here on the top right is the main power in, and it's live all the time. This pin down in the middle here is the ground from the switch in the full on position. What I got to do is get ground from that middle one over to here. So what I had to do is just undo these little tabs that stick through here with a screwdriver. I was like tapping this piece on the edge, just with my long nose pliers, and got it to pop off of there. Now we can get to the, see if maybe we can figure out what the heck is going on with this thing. This thing only goes on one way. It's got this little hole right here, and then these two other holes on this end meet up with these little pegs sticking out on that piece. So pretty much foolproof. For some reason, as soon as you plug this in and just turn the switch to the number 1 position, it sends ground to all 6 of these. So it's all screwy and none of it gets over to the actual motor. This pin here comes through just onto this one little plate right here. It's not attached to anything else. It just comes straight over to one side of the fan circuit. This is power, live power from the fuse box. This is permanently bridged to one side of the fan. Then the electricity goes out back through the fan, comes back onto this one. Now this one's the one in the corner here, which is this, and it bridges straight across to this one here. This one is the only one that's connected directly at all. So what I'm thinking of doing is just switching the plug terminals around in the actual plug socket itself. Alright, so here we are in the car. That's the hot from the battery. Which is activated when the ignition is turned on. Switch my hot back. This one here is the ground for the switch to be on in full position. So that's the full position there. I think this is going to work out okay because this one is empty and this is where I need the ground. See if it just pops right in the next socket right there. It's like a factory upgrade, y'all. I switched the ground in the plug from this terminal to this terminal. So it should be direct. What I'm going to do is cut everything else because it just seems like I'm getting a lot of feedback. And the ground is going everywhere all at the same time. So I'm just going to cut all of these. Well, that was a chunker. Alright, ground, see how you like me now. Nice and easy. Let's go see if it works. Let's see what happens. 1, 2, 3. Yes! Let's give it a whirl. Ignition on. Nothing on any of those because it can't, and it should. Totally works.